I built my own portable, solar-heated, completely wireless camping shower. And the best part, it cost under $30. I must say that I didn't expect it to work this well. So here's the goal. It must be cheap, portable, no wires, solar-heated, and easy to set up. Perfect for camping, festival, road trip, or on the beach. Now I will show how you can make one yourself, step by step, and then test how it works. Here, what I used for this project. A 12-liter water can with a wide opening, plastic primer and black spray paint, a rechargeable USB camping shower pump, and that's basically it. Below you will find links to all items I used. The secret to getting warm water without electricity is the sun. A black surface absorbs heat faster, so I painted the container black. Now instead of reflecting sunlight, it absorbs it. Then I drilled a hole in the cap for the shower hose. This little thing is the magic part. It's a rechargeable battery-powered shower pump. You just drop it in the water, press a button, and now you have pressure. No manual pumping, no squeezing, no hanging bags. I tested the battery too. One full charge lasted me about 4 full showers. Thanks to the USB connection, you can charge it anywhere. The opening is about 10 centimeters in diameter. It's a tight fit, but it works. Here is the finished product. It takes very little space, weighs only 1 kilo empty and about 12 kilos full. If you want to level this up, get one of these cheap pop-up shower tents. Now you have privacy anywhere. Let's fill it up and test it. Let it sit in direct sunlight for 4 hours, then start the pump. That's literally it. After about 3 hours in the sun, the water reached around 38 Celsius. If it's hotter outside, it gets even warmer. And if it's cloudy, obviously not as much, but still better than freezing. "12 liters are enough for about 5 to 7 minutes of shower time. So one quick shower for one adult. Okay, so is this perfect? To be honest, no. 1, you need sunlight. 2, it's not luxury spa pressure. 3, small tank means you can't waste water. But for under $30, this is insane value. This works because it's simple. No plumbing, no complicated build, no heavy equipment. Just smart use of sunlight and a tiny pump. After 7 minutes, the hot water ran out. I used to charge the pump with my solar panel, making this a complete solar-driven shower. Imagine having the opportunity to take a shower wherever you are. I have used this setup many times on my expeditions. You could upgrade to a 20 liters water tank, but then it needs to stay in the sun for a very long time. And the best part, it fits in your car. If you like smart camping projects like this, I've got more ideas coming. And if you want the exact parts I used, I'll link them below. Consider to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss next project. For the people who always choose the dirt road over the highway, check out the new shirt store. What kind of shower setup do you use? Let us know in the comments.